Hawaii is very much community, and you trust the people that live here and what they say, and there's also no more special place to run a business and serve a community as Hawaii is, for sure. So I thought, fitness is going to be the thing that I want to do for a business, whatever that looks like, because it is the thing that can really be the jumping point to better things and better decisions and a better way forward. Running a business is a very hard thing to do, and if you're going to do it, it's got to be fulfilling. It's got to make you feel like you are changing the world in some little way and helping people to, in their own way, whatever it is, just be better and know that they can be, is why I'm so passionate about this business. I see Glofox as a holistic overall partner, not just as a booking platform, obviously, but as a partner for our growth. When thinking about what software to go with when you're going to open a fitness studio, it's super important because it's the lifeblood of our business. I found Glofox because I wanted to find an alternative to what's out there. I felt like what was out there was too broad, and it didn't specialize in boutique fitness. And I feel like for boutique studios, we have a very different and specific need. It's freed up a lot of time. I mean, there's so many aspects about it that also just continue to get better. And it allows you to sleep at night. To be able to pull up reports, again, like I said, is so great. Just to, at a glance, see information. When I open Glofox and I'm in the dashboard, I kind of know immediately like what the day looks like, what our month is looking like, and it gives you some markers, and you can kind of navigate. Where do we need to get to before the end of this month, or are we in a good place? Of course, you're always pushing and you're always looking to grow, but hitting certain markers or knowing when you're missing the mark and what needs to happen based on whatever constraints you have going on is so key. So it's been very helpful in helping us to be intelligent about how we're running the business.